Hey there, fellow enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about enhancing our lives and embracing the future. Today, we have an incredible lineup of ingenious inventions that will not only boost your well-being but also keep you one step ahead of the game. In this video, we'll be showcasing a hand-picked selection of groundbreaking gadgets that are sure to amaze you. Say goodbye to mundane tasks and hello to a world of possibilities.
TruRest lets you faceplant your weight to sleep on economy flights. HeightMap TruRest Rest Aid Solution is a unique rest aid solution that will help you achieve more comfort, deep rest and better health on flights and beyond. It is a forward-leaning rest aid solution that mounts to the tray table in front of you, using it to support your weight while you lean forward and doze off. The device consists of a frame with two padded sections, one for the face and another for the chest. The face support is reminiscent of those headrests on massage tables, so it puts padding around your head while keeping your face open. The forward-leaning position facilitated by TruRest promotes deeper, easier, and more efficient breathing by easing the workload of the chest muscles and engaging the diaphragm. This reduces anxiety and releases muscle tension by promoting the relaxation RESPONSE superscript 1. To ensure a comfortable posture, you can adjust the distance of the supports to your seat as well as the height positions of the head support so you can tweak the specific ergonomics to your exact liking. TruRest is also highly adjustable to fit a wide range of heights, shapes and sizes. It's easy to set up, weighs only 18 ounces and is portable. Plus, it folds into the footprint of an iPad, perfect for travelers with limited space. TruRest is also TSA approved, so you can easily pack it in your carry-on luggage. City Glider Next Gen Footwear refers to an innovative footwear concept developed by Wei Qiang Frederick, a student from the Royal College of Art. The City Glider aims to enhance the walking experience by extending the user's stride and walking threshold. It is a lightweight, human-powered footwear that utilizes a pneumatic mechanical system. This system harnesses the force exerted during the heel strike and releases it at the mid-stance position, propelling the user forward by up to 12%. The City Glider has been recognized for its innovative design and performance-enhancing capabilities. The Global Footwear Awards, an organization that acknowledges and awards talented international footwear designers, has recognized the efforts of Wei Qiang Frederick by honoring his design with a gold prize. This recognition highlights the City Glider's ability to empower individuals to explore more and cover longer distances through walking. The City Glider Next Gen Footwear concept represents an exciting development in the field of footwear design. Its lightweight nature, human-powered mechanism, and unique features offer users an enhanced walking experience with improved efficiency and comfort. The COOLIFY 2s is a wearable neck air conditioner and heater with 3 speeds and a 5000 mAh battery. It has 2 cooling plates that can chill your whole body by 27 degrees in 1 second and has 9 modes with the battery life dependent on the mode. COOLIFY 2s uses bladeless fans with 4 air ducts and dual layer vents to generate a high-velocity airflow across your face and neck. This makes it perfect for exercising outdoors on hot summer days. The bladeless design also keeps hair and clothes from getting stuck, ensuring safety and convenience during use. Operating the COOLIFY 2s is straightforward. It usually has simple controls such as power buttons, fan speed settings, and an indicator to show the battery level. Whether you're engaged in outdoor sports, camping, hiking, or simply relaxing on a beach, the COOLIFY 2s can be a valuable companion, keeping you cool and refreshed. Siemens Healthineers is a leading medical technology company focused on shaping the future of healthcare. They have a vision to pioneer breakthroughs in healthcare for everyone, everywhere, with 4 strategies to address the healthcare challenges ahead of us. These strategies include expanding precision medicine, transforming care delivery, improving patient experience, and digitalizing healthcare. Siemens Healthineers aims to provide more personalized care for patients by using advanced diagnostics and analytics to better understand a patient's unique health needs and develop more targeted treatments, which is a part of their strategy to expand precision medicine. Siemens Healthineers is also focused on transforming care delivery by using technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, and telemedicine to improve the speed and accuracy of diagnosis, as well as making it easier for patients to access care. In the decades ahead, healthcare will undergo dramatic transformations, and Siemens Healthineers is innovating with impact in areas such as augmented reality, artificial intelligence, COVID-19 technology, digital twin, and robotics. Patient patients will have a digital twin, which is a customized computational model of themselves, enabling healthcare professionals to anticipate illness, guide therapy options, and predict outcomes of procedures. Siemens Healthineers also aims to make healthcare anticipatory and organized around patients' medical conditions and available around the clock, transforming care delivery. Furthermore, multidisciplinary highly productive care teams structured around patients and their needs will collaboratively deliver the full cycle of care. All interactions with patients will become convenient, personalized, and compassionate, improving patient experience. Supported by real-time monitoring and guidance, patients will become more empowered and have physical and virtual access to care when and where they need it. A gentle reminder to stand up straight, track progress, and set daily goals. Create cognitive awareness that empowers behavior change. It's about more than just good health. It's about being the best version of yourself. It's time to stand tall. With the upright GO-S, maintaining perfect posture is one of the main ingredients in a strong core. But if you slouch all the time, it can be hard to keep your back straight all day long. What you need is a gentle reminder to sit and stand straight, and the upright Go-To can help for $89. The upright Go-To works by monitoring your posture and providing real-time feedback to help you maintain a more upright position. It uses a combination of sensors and algorithms to detect the angle of your spine and vibrates gently when it detects slouching or poor posture. The device connects to a smartphone app via Bluetooth, allowing you to customize settings, track your progress, and receive posture training exercises and tips. The upright Go-To is a posture trainer and corrector device that helps improve your posture and reduce back pain. It offers a gentle reminder to sit and stand straight, tracks your progress, and provides a personalized posture plan through its companion app. By using the upright Go-To, you can work towards maintaining perfect posture and becoming the best version of yourself. Touch is basic to survival, but does it have to be human touch? Massage Robotics is a startup that has introduced a robotics-based massage therapy system that does not rely on humans. The robot can biomimic the motions of human massage, but with mechanical capabilities such as percussion and vibration. It meets international safety standards for collaborative robots designed to interact with people. The robotics system includes a massage table featuring two 6-axis collaborative robotic arms that are claimed to be safe for massage applications. The robot utilizes natural language processing, allowing users to speak in their normal voice to control its movements and pressure. The company's flagship robot is a 2-armed, 7-square-foot megabot that can understand verbal commands and is powered by a neural network of other robots with which it exchanges data in real time. It is evolving and learning what humans like, using sensory data collected from an entire network of robots. A cloud recommendation engine can program and recommend massage routines tailored to personal needs, and a mobile app enables users to easily create and personalize their own massage routines. The robot can morph massage routines to fit each individual body using 3-dimensional algorithms, making it adaptable for different users. While massage robotics is still a relatively emerging field, advancements in robotics, artificial intelligence, and sensor technology are driving its growth. Researchers and engineers continue to work on improving the capabilities and comfort levels of massage robots to enhance their effectiveness and user experience. These robots have proven particularly useful in healthcare settings, such as hospitals and rehabilitation centers, for physical therapy, pain management, and stress reduction. They can also be utilized in spas, wellness centers, and even in personal homes for relaxation and self-care purposes. With the combination of technology and human-like capabilities, massage robots offer a unique and innovative approach to touch-based therapies.